Hi, I'm Melissa with Simple Spaces. I help people by providing home solutions that work through organizing, styling, and staging for real estate. Over the past 8 years of working with clients, I've found that the common theme is that when our homes are in disorder and chaos, it feels like our entire lives are in disorder and chaos. I've enjoyed helping people come out from under a sense of feeling overwhelmed and into a place of peace and simplicity again. I know right now there are so many uncertainties and questions, and a lot of people are feeling the stress no matter what situation you're in. If you are an essential worker and you're out there and you're putting yourself at risk every day, or whether you are staying in your home and you are schooling your kids, or whether you've lost one or both sources of incomes, there's just so much upheaval right now everywhere. And for many of you that are staying home, I know that one way that you feel like you can control something is to go through your closets, go through your drawers, go through your pantry, go through your kitchen and just start organizing. I've seen it all over social media that people are getting the organizing bug, and really it's because that's one thing that you can control, and it is an awesome thing to do. And so I wanted to provide some tips today and just come alongside of your efforts to get your home in order, because I believe it is so very important. There are 5 things that I wanted to talk about today that I feel like could benefit you as you go through this time of purging, of reevaluating, of restructuring things in your home. The first one that I wanted to say is that you should make your bed every day. Now, this is kind of more of a life tip than an organizing tip. But really, when you start out your day by making your bed, it is one simple, easy thing that you can accomplish that you will feel for the remainder of the day. Every time you walk in your room, you're gonna see your bed. And there's something about making the bed that helps you not put clothes on the floor, or helps you not lay stuff on the dresser that doesn't belong on the dresser. Clutter is a magnet. So the more clutter, the more clutter. And making your bed is one way to help you in your bedroom, and also just to make you feel like you've done something and you're in charge of your day. The second tip I have for you is to clean up your kitchen every night after dinner. Now, I know that everybody does it differently, but I believe strongly that after everyone has had dinner, it's important for the entire family to work together and to wash the dishes, dry the dishes, put away the dishes, wipe down all the surfaces, sweep. We actually have a pretty good system in my house. Each of the kids has a responsibility, and they switch off each night as to who does what, but everything gets done so that when the next morning comes, we wake up, we come downstairs into the kitchen, and I feel like, oh, wow, I can start my day, instead of walking in and automatically seeing something that's undone that adds one more thing to my to-do list or makes me feel defeated. The third thing that I have for you is to establish a home for all of the distance learning items. So if you are a parent and you have your kids at home right now and you're doing schooling, this is something I'm going to do a video on soon, but don't just leave the laptops and the pencils and the papers and everything laying around. It's going to make you feel out of control. You need to find a home, a temporary home for all of those things, and that will help you get through this time. Number 4, have a space in your home that is a no compromise zone. So this is a room or a space that will look the way it looks always. For us, it's our bedroom. No matter how the kids' rooms look, no matter how the bathroom looks, or the kitchen, or the living room, our bedroom is the one place that we will not compromise. It's the place that we want to feel is a sanctuary and a place we can go to rest and feel like there's nothing undone. So create that space in your home. It is so very important. Just one space that you feel like you can have control of it if there's nowhere else. And the 5th and last thing is to start thinking creatively about the things you have in your home that you can use for organization. Instead of running out and buying new containers or ordering on Amazon, look around and come up with some solutions from what you have to work with. I have a lot of posts on my blogs about reusing and working with what my clients had, and you can go search on my blog, on my website, getsimplespaces.com. That's GET simplespaces.com. And you can search for ideas on how to repurpose what you have in your house, how to work with what you have right now. You have time, so get creative and use what you have. And I hope that those 5 things will help you as you just continue this journey of purging in your home. And I wish the best for all of you, and peace in your homes, and peace in your families and your loved ones, and for the most health for all of you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.